This is Kenny the Handyman here, and today's project is hanging Christmas lights on all the trees and bushes in front of my house. So the problem I have is that I want to put Christmas lights on this tree in the median in front of my house, but I don't want to run an extension cord across the public sidewalk. So the perfect solution to that is to get a solar powered Christmas lights. I've actually had this solar powered set for the past 15 years. It's been in operation and it still works. I think it's starting to get a little bit dim, so I may replace it with another set. Another solution that I have is I don't like getting on a ladder to put Christmas lights up on the peak here, so just use the old laser beam Christmas projected lights for the peak of that, and it shows up nicely at nighttime. But I like the traditional light strands for all they're much brighter for the bottom part of the house. So I ended up getting a new set of solar lights. This panel is quite small and compact, and actually it lights up the tree quite nicely. Looks beautiful. So I hope that helps you get an idea what to do when you want to connect solar or Christmas lights across a public sidewalk. Well, and the laser lights over the peak look quite nice too. Well, hope that helps.